Rain, huh?
Yeah, a little rain before a cold front will move on through later on this afternoon and will turn much chillier this evening, or the overnight hours actually, as that cool air will settle on in on a gusty northerly wind. Right now the cold front still up towards Jacksonville. Ahead of it we're seeing this line of showers here. I don't see any lightning strikes out there, but some rain nonetheless, especially in the eastern Martin County, right around Hobe Sound and down in Tequesta, spilling over into Jupiter too. We're seeing a few showers there, also back into Indiantown. Look at Jupiter right now. It does look like some water on the lens here a little bit and a little bit of wet streets, so be careful driving around there. Current temperatures have dropped a little bit there to 68. Elsewhere we're just hovering around 70 degrees or so. So starting off pretty warm. We're still going to be warm today. Now this rain we have out there now, we're going to get rid of that and we're going to see some sunshine into the lunchtime hours. Shortly after lunch is when we're going to pick up the rain chances as the cold front moves on through. Cold front will clear the area this evening, open up the floodgates for some much cooler weather to arrive on a very gusty and windy northerly wind. Temperatures will fall into the 50s almost area wide. Now we're talking 50s on the Treasure Coast, the low 50s or so, 51 in Sebastian, 52 in Indiantown, 58 in Wellington. Right along the coast will still be around 60 degrees or so, maybe even low 60s on the Barrier Island, but still cool nonetheless. As we get into the day tomorrow, we'll stay pretty chilly in the afternoon too, only reaching the low 70s, well below the average for this time of year. So let's time out the rain. So there goes that rain, gone. Most of us by lunchtime, we're looking at some sunshine. By 1 o'clock or so, we'll start to get a few showers in the northern Treasure Coast. By 2, 3 o'clock, it moves into the southern Treasure Coast, and then the Palm Beaches 3, 4 o'clock, we'll see that. And by 7 o'clock, it clears the entire area and the rain chances diminish. Strong northerly winds settle on in, and that cooler air will arrive through the overnight hours, and we'll see those temperatures really drop. So really, that's our only rain chance there, and then minimum going into next week. Morning lows, look at this chilly weather sticking around for several days too. This little cold spell will last. Small craft advisory later on this afternoon through Friday and probably into Saturday too. And if you're heading out to the beaches, that afternoon storm chance there. Then much cooler into Easter weekend with only highs in the 70s and lows in the 50s and 60s.